you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright guys, we're back with another one. Just an update. I went to a DJ Dirty Bass show. Let me give me a little seat in here. Got my fishing poles out of the truck for a change. But I got the went to the DJ Dirty Bass show. It was a good turnout. The weather was perfect. I think he's gonna do an annual show. I don't think this is his first time doing the show, but it was a nice show. I think this is his second year, I believe. I don't know for sure, but I think he's gonna continue to do it, from what I know, what I heard him say on the video. But yeah, it was in Kentucky, so it wasn't too bad of a drive. Around 3 hours or so, it wasn't too bad at all. The temp was just right, and of course I'm gonna have the content coming up on the channel. Y'all know I schedule videos out. I try to do them in order from shows that I went to, so it'll be probably pushed back. It's not that I won't put the video up, it just it'll be pushed back. So it ain't that I won't do it, but that's the deal on that. So like I said, all the videos will be uploaded. Only way I won't upload them is like if it's like a whole bunch of music to where I can't get the vocals out of it to avoid the copyright. But even still, I will put it on other platforms to where y'all will be able to see it still. So, you know, y'all will always be able to get the content from somewhere. You know, I'm gonna put your video up. If I get a demo, I'm gonna put it somewhere for sure. But I don't know if I'm blocking the microphone on this camera or not. But yeah, that was a pretty good show. I don't know the next show, but y'all know why. Of course, if I get the content, I'm gonna put it out. I usually better put my shows up in advance to let y'all know where I'm going, but I don't really know a lot of time before I go, because things will change. So yeah, but a little bit of update. I did end up fixing my A pillar in here. Let me show you. As you can see right here, yeah, I fixed that. So we all good in here. We back working. I had to get back there, and replace, what is it called? I had to replace the not replace, but a speaker had came loose on the back. Not where it mounted in there, but the actual what do you call it? It wasn't this, it was like the terminals. This wire came off the terminals. So I ended up having to fix it. But everything is good now as far as I know. But I guess the temp's been lower, so it's been playing pretty good. The amps haven't been going to protect. I might be wrong, because I could probably play this in just a minute, and then we'll probably go and protect. But let me see. I'm gonna see if I can find a song.
She was a one. You would thought she was Michael.
Yeah, man. Let me make sure. I'm gonna make sure it didn't go and protect that time. Let's see. I don't think it did though. Oh shit. I just turned the damn shit off. I just turned it off. Forget. Damn, that didn't do me no good, did it? I'm trying to see if it's gonna go into protect. It hasn't been doing it, cause like I said, I guess it's a whole lot cooler outside than what it usually is. So we're doing pretty good on that. But I got the stunt wire in the back. I'm gonna have to get I'm gonna have to get some amps to power that. I got one PRV SQ3500 that goes to half on, but I think I'm gonna change that out and go with 4 different amps. I need 1, 2. Yeah, about 4 different amps for the back. And I gotta do something about my doors in the front, but like I say, man, I look like I'm gonna end up having to find me some. We're gonna test this again and see if we're going to protect.
It's a no for me.
Oh hell, I ain't even got the amp turned on. My bad, y'all. It's still hot as hell to me. Excuse my language, but it's still hot. I got the knob down and everything. Okay. Now let's check. We still good. Still good. Everything's still good, so yeah. Everything good, man, but like I said, it's starting to cool off with this weather and stuff, so it sure looking a whole lot better. But yeah, man, like I said, I had been trying to get rid of some stuff as far as some stuff with this build, that way I can change some stuff around. I thought about just selling the build because I got something else I want to do and it's still available, so I may be able to sell this one and get that one, and then go with the setup that I want to go with in that one. So like I said, I'm gonna try to finish this year out with this one if it's still available, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one, and then I might end up having to keep it, but and go and get that other vehicle. It's a whole lot bigger than this, a whole lot more space, whatnot. So that's that. And I think it'll handle the weight a whole lot better because it's made to hold a whole lot of weight. So of course I could do a lot of upgrading this, but I could just buy that and it'll already be ready to handle all the weight that I need, that I'm gonna do to it. So but y'all be sure to hit the notification bell, be sure to subscribe. It's hot out here. I'm finna get out this heat. I forgot to crank the car up and everything, but anyway, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in, just getting y'all an update of what's been going on. And y'all be sure to use the links on cardioconnect.com and cardioplug.com, whatever. The codes, their discount codes or referral codes, they support the channel. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out cardioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top cardio brands. I appreciate your support.